Hello and welcome back to the Auto Charge India. The car which we are driving today is somewhat special and ordinary. Ordinary because it is from the mass market brand which produces mass market products, and special because it is one of 500 products that Skoda is producing of the Kushaq. This Kushaq you can see is the limited edition matte edition, and the Skoda has produced only 500 units. Well, by the time you see this video, the Skoda has already discontinued the limited edition, and if you want it, Skoda might get it back in coming future. And going by the website, it is currently not available. But still, we are going to talk about the matte edition and what this edition brings to you in this video. Okay, so now let's talk about what changes do you get with this edition. तो सबसे पहले ये जो essentially carbon steel finish है, and Skoda is actually charging a premium for it. This Kushaq it is top of the line matte edition. तो इसकी प्राइस आती है अराउंड 22.81 लाख. यस, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है कंसिडर करते हैं कि इसमें जो फीचर्स मिलते हैं एंड व्हाट पैकेज दिस कार कम्स विद. तो इट्स क्वाइट लॉट, बट दैट इज़ बिकॉज कि ये कलर मैन्युफैक्चर के लिए ना OEMs के लिए थोड़ा महंगा पड़ता है, एंड मेंटेनिंग इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट लॉट. एज यू कैन सी, मैंने मॉर्निंग में गाड़ी थोड़ी क्लीन की थी एंड अगेन देर इज मड विच हैज़ गॉट स्टक टू इट. तो तुरंत ख़राब हो जाती है एंड मड ऑल्सो बहुत हाईलाइट हो जाती है. तो इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन इन द सेंस कि आपको फ्रीक्वेंटली वॉश करते रहना, साफ करती रहनी पड़ेगी. इट्स नॉट लाइक अदर कलर्स, इट कैन लॉन्ग क्वाइट लॉन्ग. ओके, सो that was about the paint. Then second thing which you get with the Kushaq is that it runs on the 17 inches alloy wheels, and it is quite simple one silver one. अभी बोलोगे स्टैंडर्ड Kushaq में तो dual tone मिल जाता है, yes, but ये जो कार्बन स्टील है ना, it doesn't go good with the dual tone. Obviously OEMs have done much research, and even I feel that this simple alloy is looking quite nice with this matte edition. तो टायर साइज की बात करें तो यहाँ पे 205 55 R 17 इंचेस के टायर मिल जाते हैं एंड 16 इंचेस की स्पेस सेवर टायर दिया गया है. नाउ क्रोम स्ट्रिप्स ऑन द हैंडल, एंड इन द मैट एडिशन स्कॉडा व्हाट इज डन, यहाँ पे बस नया एडिशन दिया है, नया पेंट कलर है, एंड दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट. इसमें ना ही ज़्यादा फीचर ऐड किए गए. बट पीछे भी देखोगे तो ये 2024 मॉडल है ना, तो यहाँ पे 1.5 TSI की बैजिंग दी गई है. सो पहले की इसमें नहीं थी. एंड हियर यू गेट द इंटीग्रेटेड स्पॉइलर एंड बिलो दैट वॉशर एंड द वाइपर एयर एज वेल. तो ये ही चेंजेस इसमें मिलते. बट दिस बीइंग अ 2024 एडिशन ना, and a matte edition, I'll show you what it gets extra. Now you see the screen, earlier it was 8 inches, now it gets 10-inch infotainment screen. Let me just go over there and show you. तो इसमें इस बार स्कोडा वाले what they are doing ना, instead of getting the new products they are just upgrading the Slavia and Kushaq with the new edition, and this strategy is actually working because they have to do more R&D, and there is a chances that other sub 4 meter SUV on its way, पर वो बाद में बात करेंगे. Now first let's get inside. तो on the inside it's literally the same. यहाँ पे कलर पैलेट जो है डैशबोर्ड कलर इट्स कम्प्लीटली सेम, वही है जो हमने देखा था पहले. तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड आई विल शो यू. ये 2 स्पोक जो स्टीयरिंग व्हील है ना, इट लुक्स एक्चुअली नाइस. इट हैज बिकम द ट्रेंड नाउ in the industry. Now many manufacturers are going with the this trend of 2 spoke. तो होल्ड करने में अच्छा है. Then you get the touch based control for the AC vents, and this physical button for seat ventilation, you know. Okay, so 2 level of cooling option you get. Lock unlock, auto start stop. So ये रही बात इसमें. And the dashboard quality, and यहाँ पे थोड़ा space दिया गया है provision, so you can just keep the details over here. Then this some hexagonal treatment to it, piano black finish में 3-4 layer का dashboard है. And talking about the seats, these are nice. They don't hold you very nice, but these obviously get the ventilation option. Well, on the matte edition, it doesn't get the electrical adjust for it. तो वो थोड़ा down है. I would have expected it at this price point. Convenience feature is that now you get the faster Type C charger only, 12-volt socket over here, and here you get the wireless charging pair for your mobile phone. Sunroof, standard size की sunroof मिल जाती है. And one there has been a constant issue with the Skoda and VW cars is that, do you hear that? Yeah, that noise. Initially what I thought ना कि मे बी जो पहले मेरे पास गाड़ी थी वो होगी, बट आई रियलाइज कि 3-4 टाइम्स मैंने गाड़ी जब कुशाक चलाई, अलग अलग गाड़ी ऑफ कोर्स, तो ये इशू कांस्टेंट रहा है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस विद द VW कार्स में भी सेम थिंग. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाई स्कोडा इज नॉट वर्किंग ऑन इट. क्या कुछ ज़्यादा कॉस्ट जाता है? आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स देयर प्लान विद दिस गोइंग कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस, यू नो. इट डजंट मेक सेंस बिकॉज ये 20 लाख आप स्पेंड कर रहे हो एंड यू आर गेटिंग सच लेवल ऑफ नॉइज, तो it's better down for me. But okay, that side apart, Skoda know that their customers are one who likes driving, and driving may, I'm telling you, Skoda and the VWs are the only one who are making the driver focused car. Period. Feature wise, comfort wise, थोड़े compromise करते हैं, but if you want a car that you are driving and should be having fun in it, so you should definitely consider the Kushaq, and it's of course the same sedan version which is based on the same platform, that is Slavia, and from the VW side, it's a Virtus. So this is what from the inside I'll say. Auto dimming inside rear view mirror मिल जाते हैं, electrical adjust for the ORVMs, यहाँ पे switches दिए गए, and only the driver side window roll up and down in a one touch. Others doesn't get this feature. Of course ये 1.5 DSI engine है, तो इसमें आपको 7 speed DSG मिल जाता है. So talking about the engine, there are two engines in this Kushaq, well, and the three option transmission. It's one is manual, other is 6-speed torque converter, and other is a 7-speed DSG, which is essentially a dual clutch transmission. तो पीछे हम देखें तो you get this 385 liters of boot space, and I have just kept it, some stuff over here. कुछ बाद में निकालना पड़ेगा गाड़ी जाने से पहले. Then there is hook, and see some simply clever bits like when you want to close ना, तो यहाँ पे आपको ऐसा हाथ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You can just pull it like this and it shuts like this. पीछे बम्पर देखा है सब सेम है, थोड़ा सिल्वर फिनिश किया गया रेयर बम्पर को, तो स्किड प्लेट वाला फील आ रहा है. That's all about the Kushaq from the outside. The Kushaq matte edition, of course, I have to be precise with this edition. And the funny part is, अब पता नहीं funny, but I really feel funny because instead of getting some mechanical changes to it, they are just getting the different edition. So earlier they had launched the Onyx edition, I remember, then Monte Carlo, and this matte edition. But matte edition is very limited, but sponsor, and it is one of 500 cars which you will be seeing. There is a high chances the Skoda might get the new edition in the coming future, matte edition of course, because customer का demand रही है. But the one downer ना कि ये थोड़ी expensive side पे की है, तो that's the reason I don't think Skoda might getting, because customer उतने है कि नहीं, but जो 500 यूनिट निकल थी वो already sold out हो चुकी है. तो यही सिर्फ बात है. तो do let me know कि आप actual में consider करोगे या Skoda should get the mechanical change. So it was all about the matte edition, what you get in the Kushaq. And one more thing I forgot to tell you na, कि now this Kushaq also comes in elegant edition. So that we will definitely try to get live on our channel. So this was all about the Skoda Kushaq matte edition. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and please do like the video and subscribe to our channel.